What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, today class will be in session, so do me a favor. Please follow along as well as take some notes, because the things I'm going to teach you today should be able to help you guys not only identify certain things in the market, but once applied, help you make some money. And that's the whole goal of what I'm trying to accomplish on our journey together. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, we're bringing out the charts today, and I'm going to walk you guys through a few things that I want you to pay attention to. First, let's call out this black line. Okay, that is your 200. All right, this is your 200 EMA, and at the time where we're currently at on the charts, which I'll be operating from down here first, and I'm gonna walk you through something. This is serving as resistance when price is underneath this line. Okay, and so you need to know that, so that when you see this move right here, check this out. Boom, got this candle, got that candle, got that green candle. Now this is a good sign, but look at it get rejected on the 200 EMA. It got rejected at resistance. Okay, but on this healthy pullback, watch this, guys, it fell down to what we call the 48. This blue line right here, that's your 48 EMA. Let me show you how they work together and how you use them to make money. Okay, so once you've seen it tested and then it found support there at the 48, now you have to be thinking it's going to go back and retest that resistance. It bounced off of this level, and sure enough, boom, boom, it went back to test resistance before ultimately breaking through, and it was off to the races from there. Okay, now I want you guys to first identify the importance of resistance and how resistance, watch this, guys, it turns into support. So over here, I'm going to write the 200 EMA, but you see, once we broke through that line I just showed you, now the 200 became support. Okay, now it's support. Now watch these future moves. Here it come back to retest support. This is why I often say, guys, do not be mad at a pullback. Certain pullbacks are healthy because, number one, it allows you entry into a play that's going to make another move higher. Okay, so you need to embrace pullbacks, but you need to know your level so that you know where stocks are pulling back to. Okay, that is the key in all of this. Let's jump back in it. Once it pulled back, okay, this held up as support as all, and also served as your entry. And then right here, guys, we were able to ride it up. And then watch this, it came back down. This is another pullback, kind of broke through a little bit. This to fake you out. This is what gets a lot of people, oh, it's going to crash, it's going back down. Nope, it regained, kept going higher, and now look at how this 13 support starts serving as support. The 13 EMA starts serving as support, and then it continued to just bounce off of this level, ride this level before ultimately going higher and then topping out. Okay, this whole lesson, guys, is a lesson in how you guys can, one, see resistance in one point in time of the day. This is why we say the morning may sometimes see stocks go down. Okay, resistance is standing strong and pushing your plays down when they try to make an attempt up. But after a test or two, okay, you always want to expect rejection on the first test. All right, but after they test one or two times, then once they break through, that same exact resistance level is going to serve as support, or area that you're going to see stocks bounce off of and continue to move higher. This is something you guys need to use to your advantage on your journey. Okay, so when you see, and this is why we say set your charts up correctly. Okay, you need to have the 200-day EMA on your charts, whether it's the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 1 day, the 1 week, the 1 month, so that you can see just where this line is located on all time frames, so you can see that on one time frame it might serve as resistance, on another time frame it might serve as support, but within that time frame it might break through resistance and then become support. These are all the little intricacies of this game that you must learn and you must master, because for the person that wanted to just simply buy a call and not respect the rejection levels, guys, you're going to get burned every time, okay? But for the person that's patient, for the person that's, again, understanding this is high level chess, not checkers, you guys will see these things happening and emerging on your journey, okay? Guys, these are some lessons that if you watch this 2 or 3 times, okay, just to go back through the lesson, you will see, okay, this is why Chris says to get in and get out. See profit, take profit. Because if you're not understanding where resistance at, you could be holding, or you could start shorting at resistance, not knowing, oh, this stock is actually picking up momentum and it's preparing to break through. It just need a couple of tests to get through. Okay, but if you're not seeing the game in that manner, guys, you can be on the wrong side of the trade. Oh, it got rejected this morning, so you think it's going to get rejected in the afternoon. And sometimes it don't work like that, but you have to be looking at your chart, because these are the huge moves that will come. And inside of these moves is your life-changing moments. And that's why I need you to capture them. And that's why I need you to take advantage of them when you see it, okay? The 200 ended up being support. It ended up being a level that the stock bounced off of and ultimately went higher. And that's the type of plays you guys want to take advantage of if you're going to be trading, if you're going to be trying to make money with options on a daily basis, okay? These are high quality setups, but you have to let them set up. You have to let the play emerge. You have to let the formations and the patterns develop so that you guys can see clearly which direction the market is going, how we are trending, and where your opportunities lie. Listen, guys, I hope this was helpful. This is what it's all about, guys. I wanted to kind of teach you guys this, show you guys this as we prepare for another week. If you guys are ready to make some money with me this week, do me 2 favors. Number 1, please like and subscribe. Number 2, either consider joining the Discord, link for that is in the description below, or join the money team in our weekly options, because we will get to the money around here with me, okay? That's what I specialize in. I'm not no financial expert. I'm not no financial advisor. I get to the money, okay? And I help others do that at a very high level once they listen and apply what's being taught and learned on a daily. That's what I hope to do for you as well. With that being said, guys, listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.